Behind every strong structure is precision and expertise. At Steel Construction Detailing, we deliver world-class steel detailing services that bring your projects to life. Our structural steel detailing services ensure that every beam, column, and connection is designed with complete accuracy and efficiency. With our steel fabrication detailing services, fabricators receive precise shop drawings, assembly details, and material lists, reducing costly errors and saving valuable time. That's why many clients choose to outsource steel detailing services to Steel Construction Detailing, gaining access to advanced software, experienced professionals, and faster project turnaround without extra overhead. From erection drawings to steel fabrication drawing services, we provide complete detailing solutions that guarantee reliability and quality in every project. At Steel Construction Detailing, we don't just create drawings, we help build the future, one detail at a time. Visit us today at www.steelconstructiondetailing.com and let's bring your vision to reality.